to Harlingen Family Dentistry's Pediatric Department. Please sign in.
Chick-Fil-A Cow? Hi, how are you? Right here. Hi, Chick-Fil-A Cow. My name's Michelle. I'm going to teach you how to floss and brush today. Well, we're going to go in with the floss and we're going to look for chicken nuggets. See how many chicken nuggets you can use. So you're going to get the floss between your teeth and you're just going to go back and forth on all your teeth. Start on one side and you come all the way around to the other side. Okay? Here's your toothbrush. We're going to put a little smear of toothpaste on there. And we're going to start on one side. And we're going to brush in little circles. You want to brush your gum line too. You want to come all the way around. And go all the way to the back. And you need to make sure you brush the inside of your teeth. Okay? And the top ones, you want to go all the way around again. Okay? Thank you, Chick-Fil-A Cow, for being such a great patient. Dr. Kim will be right in for your exam.
Alright, we're gonna check your teeth right here. Wow, fantastic! Look at all your pearly whites. Must be all that wholesome food you're eating at Chick-fil-A. Fantastic. Fist bump for me. Fist bump, alright.
Bye. Cavities today? No, awesome. We'll see you in 6 months. High five.